Now you must have by now understood the power of WhatsApp business account, how you could use it to the fullest to make the best use for your wedding photography and filmmaking company business, and how you can make use of it. Now just if you are having a still normal business account, you are doing a crime. Just shift that right here, right now to the WhatsApp business account, because when I did not have any idea, I used to feel that it must be same. I saw a lot of people when WhatsApp business got launched. I saw people shifting onto that, but I found that this would not. This is going to be the same thing or normal, or they would just give some features, some additional features. But when I actually started using it, I found it very profound, very powerful, and that is why I'm sharing with you, because you might be using the normal business account and might not be using the WhatsApp business, right? And now how we are using your WhatsApp, now you'll better be able to understand this after this complete practical approach that I have just shown you, that I just showed you. The first point is to record follow-ups. Yes, to have a records of the follow-ups, better follow-up interaction. It happens that you saw just right here through labels, how you could make the use of it. Portfolio showcase, you could showcase your complete portfolio of weddings of different couples or anything that you want to portfolio in a creative manner through the catalog thing. Quick replies, I showed you how we send different links about us or anything that you want to send without wasting a lot of time, without having to go somewhere and copy the link and copy the description and just paste it and save the client, because it takes a lot of time of yours, and you could save that time, and particularly and most importantly your energy is the most precious thing right here. Energy, you would save your energy as well by using quick replies. And yes, the business profile, it looks like a business profile. Now coming on to the mindset, if you are not seeing your goal card, this goal card I'm talking about, if you are not seeing the goal card daily, just see that, because it will keep you in touch with your goals, with your visualization, with actually what you want in life. Otherwise your goals with form into a cloud, and it would evaporate somewhere, and you will miss completely your goals. And unless you don't have goals in life with the deadlines, you are not going to get it. Coming on to the second part, visualization. If you are not doing still Chit Shakti meditation, just do it. It's very powerful. And unless you don't experience something, unless you do not try something, you would not be able to understand the importance and the profoundness of that. You would not be able to understand that. Before doing Chit Shakti meditation, I used to feel, what is this sound meditation? What is this? Meditation is something that you sit in at some place and in silent. But when I actually learned about Chit Shakti meditation, when I started doing it, it changed my mindscape completely. And I want you to experience this. And once you experience it, you'll come to know the importance of it. And more importantly, if you could do, there is a very great program by Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. If you could do that, that's a very affordable and a life transformational course that you could just take online. If you have a little interest in spirituality, and if you want to keep your mind stable, if you want to be happy, and if you want to take your business to new levels, I would strongly recommend and suggest you to do the Inner Engineering program. What is Inner Engineering? I just type the name here, Inner Engineering. Just type this in Google and will find the link of the Sadhguru's website. Coming on to the third part, listen to this audio daily, Strangest Secret of the World. It will again give you another reason to why the goals are very important in our lives, and why you have to keep a track of your goals and track it daily and make consistent efforts to achieve those goals. Fourth part, 5-minute daily affirmations. You have to sit at some place, be grateful for what you have, of everything that you have. Bless your family, bless your parents, bless your friends, bless what you have, and not crib. Do not cry on what you do not have, right? Just happiness. Once you understand that the gratitude is the key to happiness, once you understand that when you actually start paying gratitude to this almighty, to the universe, you'll find yourself very, very happy and fulfilled. Action plan. Now the action plan, go and set up your WhatsApp business account. Do not in any case delay it or procrastinate it, that I'll just do it. I can anytime download it from the application store and would do it. This is not going to work like that. You have to do this right here, right now. Awareness assignment, download it and start filling it. It will help you to better understand the concept, and you'll get to find the flaw. If you are not able to retain something, if you are not able to answer something, you'll find that how much attentively you were listening to the complete tutorial, complete video. That is why awareness assignment is very important. and I just wish I must have been able to add again a lots of value through this video, because what I truly believe that if you have something powerful to share, just share with the community. And if you truly, if you could touch and transform the lives of people, if you, by my program, by my wedding photography business mastery program, in any way help start your own wedding photography and filmmaking company, and that makes a livelihood for you, then that nothing could be more than that blessing to me. It would be, I would be blessed and very fortunate to see that through my program you were able to start your business, and that is the livelihood of for you now, and you are having big dreams. And I'll be keep sharing such powerful content on YouTube, and I just wish that you must have learned a lot, and just stay happy, stay spiritual, and stay blessed. Thank you so much.